The chocolate chip cookie is a staple treat in many American households. Here's how to make one. These are the ingredients. Now let's begin. First, we're going to take 2 1/4 cups flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Now we're going to mix them all together. Now in a large bowl, combine 1 cup margarine or butter, 3/4 cup of sugar, and 3/4 cup brown sugar. One teaspoon vanilla extract, and now we're going to mix that thoroughly. I'm using an electric mixer to make it easier, but you can do it by hand. There are 2 eggs total, but I'm going to mix them in one at a time. Be careful not to mix too much, as it will make the batter inconsistent. Now I'm going to add a second egg and mix thoroughly. Once this is done, we're going to add in our flour, salt, and baking soda mixture. This may take a while, but you just need to have patience. Now we're going to add in chocolate. Now we're going to let it chill in the fridge for 2 to 4 hours. Bake at 375 for 10 minutes. When you take it out of the oven, make sure to use hot pads or rags so you don't burn your hands. Let it cool. Now you can enjoy. Thanks for watching.